Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am discussing about the adapter design pattern. Adapter design pattern is a design pattern. It's fall under the structural design pattern. It means the main functionality of adapter design pattern is the mixing and connecting to incompatible interface. Means adapter design pattern has have the responsible of connecting to incompatible interface. For example, we have an A interface and we have an B interface, and A and B are totally different and incompatible interface. They will not connected each other. So how we will connect A into B? Because we can connect A into B directly. We can connect B into A directly because these are incompatible interface. We will not connecting these two interface. So the comes the adapter design pattern. Adapter design pattern have work in the middleware between A and B interface. Adapter design pattern C will connect A into B. For example, A connect into C and then C connect into B. So A connect into B independently by using adapter design pattern. The real world example of adapter design pattern is the charger adapter. We have a socket, we have a laptop charger. Socket and laptop charger will not connect each other. So we will use adapter, and our laptop charger use adapter to charge our laptop. So this is a real world example. I will show this. So this is the example of adapter design pattern. We have an A interface and we have an B interface. A cannot connect into B directly, and this is a totally independent and incompatible interface. This is an adapter. This adapter will connect A into B. So this is the main use of adapter design pattern, that is uh, connect and communicate to incompatible interface. This is the definition of adapter design pattern. So we have an example in C sharp. Yeah, let's say we have a lightning phone interface. This is a iPhone interface, and we have a micro USB phone interface. This is a Android phone interface, and this have only two functions: use lightning and recharge. Use lightning and recharge. We create iPhone. This will implement lightning iPhone, and iPhone use lightning connected, and recharge started and recharge finished. Similarly, we have an Android class. This will implement micro USB interface and use micro USB and micro USB connected. Recharge same, similarly recharge started and so on. And this is adapter. We have a lightning to micro USB adapter. It means we will charge iPhone using Android adapter, Android charger. We will charge iPhone using Android charger. So this is a adapter that will charge iPhone using Android adapter, Android micro USB adapter. So this is a constructor we pass iPhone, and this iPhone object we will use this lightning object use uh, use micro USB, use lightning, micro USB connected, and then use lightning. Okay, lightning to iPhone, use lightning. So recharge lightning phone dot recharge. So similarly, micro USB to lightning adapter and micro USB. We will pass micro USB. Android. We will charge Android using iPhone adapter, iPhone charger. So this is a use lightning, and micro USB dot use micro USB and recharge. And here is an implementation. We have Android, iPhone Android object. We have an iPhone object, and we have a micro USB to lightning adapter. This will use Android object, and that is charged using iPhone adapter, and this adapter use lightning and dot use charge. Similarly, we have a lightning to micro USB adapter, and micro USB adapter will pass iPhone. Then iPhone we communicate iPhone. Charge iPhone using micro USB adapter. Use micro USB and recharge. This will use iPhone. This will charge iPhone using micro USB. So this is the adapter design pattern. So let's come up adapter design pattern. Adapter design pattern is a pattern which communicate or compatible to independent or incompatible interface. This is the responsibilities of adapter design pattern. Okay, this is the example. We have Android phone and we have a iPhone phone. We have an Android phone and we have an iPhone phone. We charge Android using iPhone adapter. We charge iPhone using Android adapter. So this is the example of adapter design pattern. So I hope you understand this. If you have any question, please comment on the YouTube video, and please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks.